What a quirky card. But the bit that makes this the most interesting is the way it stands. It stands slightly to the side. So card number 43 is a quirky heart offset to the side, but with actually that scoreline on the actual side of the heart itself. So here we've got a black base, a black foundation with a heart in the centre. And I'm going to actually assemble this one differently. I'm going to put the heart in the centre so that you can see. I'm just going to make sure that that's clear of the edges, and it isn't quite. So that's the important thing that we need to get here. We need to make sure that when we build our card, we're clear of the edges so the card itself will open. But doesn't that look great? Almost without the panels around the outside edge, that actually has a fabulous finishing touch. So what I've done here is actually put that directly onto the base. Now I could use some additional mats and layers and they would look quite interesting. So I'm going to lift off my base and let you see what that would look like. It's been cut away at the edge to make sure that it fits in this panel that we've got here. And then you've got that extra mat and layer. I do think that finishing touch makes all the difference. However, do consider we can be doing this both ways. And then I've got another panel, and this time it's our black lace over the white mat, and again that's designed to sit over the top. But equally, this panel could sit inside, so you could be cutting this panel twice and having it on the inside and on the outside. And that's one of the things that I love about USBs, is the fact that you're in control about how many elements you use and how many times you cut them. So there are our two hearts. They do look fabulous. One other thing I'd like you to consider is maybe welding these hearts together so that you actually end up with two of them and them working side by side. So as having welded hearts. Consider different options for things that you could be doing, because I think there are lots of different things that this collection lends itself to.